full question to you.
बोलिए.
What I am saying that whatever you are developing, it is having time-related relevance. So when you started it as a connectivity protocol, it was fine. As you were having the limitation in the form of devices, whether it is a router devices or that Wi-Fi devices or whatever the devices, and they were having limitation. Over the period, we have crossed over various limitations. Now, I mean, that comes earlier computer, which was spread in the room, now that can come in your pocket. I mean, something like that. So the devices you have and the capability, chips, everything has gone. I mean, there's a lot of mind-boggling development which has taken place. But we still kept the protocol at the same level. So I am of the view that now there are the two issues. Protocol should capture everything, and whatever everything is being captured, that should have the right to and guarantee of privacy. So it should go in a system where when need is required, it is available to capture a criminal. But as far as normal citizen is concerned, his privacy is 200% protected, and it should not be at the will of Gmail, or it will not be at the will of the WhatsApp or Facebook or whatever it is, right? So basically, it has to be guarded and protected. And for that very reason, we created one national authority for scientific and technical assistance and investigation and detection of crime, and which is having very powerful provisions, legal provision, that even if insiders will try to somewhere intrude into the privacy, the chairman of that authority itself would be in jail with a certainty of the 7 years of punishment. That kind of legal framework we have already created for crime-free Bharat. So what I am saying, it is a time when communication protocols should be revised, and say even today also, if you make the payment, only then you are permitted to get into the cyberspace, right? So there is a possibility of capturing IP address, there is a possibility of capturing device identity, there is a now capacity who is sitting with the device, that can also be captured when you are allowed access. Then your location can be captured, and locational related जो threats हैं. So if your location is in a place where the threat is high, then probably it might have a higher degree of the protocol, including even entering into the agreement. Okay, if your conduct is somewhere bordering the criminal liability, then there's an additional agreement between you and the cyberspace. That kind of the things, and it has to be thought from that perspective.
Sorry. Please go ahead.
Yeah. So basically, I am of the view that it is a high time that communication protocol should not be dictated by a particular country. It has to be re-evolved, re-estimated in the light of the cyber crimes, because and at the moment, lot many people will not work for it for very simple reason, because cyber crime is a cyber business for them. So whether it is an antivirus business or whether it's other business, even creating cyber awareness has become the $1 billion industry or $1 billion market. So here people are thinking from very, very parochial point of view. Somebody has to think from the very robust point of view and should have to come out with it. I have already formed a committee to come out with the protocol part of it. Then I have formed another legal committee which will look into the agreement part of it. So that technically you might have created a protocol, but then there will be how it will be accepted by the international community. So what could be the legal framework for that? If they are doing business in India through some agreement, whether those agreement clauses need to be revised. If if America can have n number of the clauses in their advantage, a country which is providing such a vast business, I am telling you in advance that WhatsApp are going to surrender. The kind of the protest which is going to happen, the people and masses, they are leaving WhatsApp. And if it is going to happen that way, it will impact Facebook, it will impact WhatsApp, it will impact everybody. And when the business will be shrinking, Google will fall and will compromise and will remove everything. Because what they were thinking it is their strength, it will become their biggest weakness. They are having so much big business on account of this. For a simple a kind of a little privacy kind of issues, now it is an opportunity where the government can really fix them and renegotiate their agreement. Because see, I always look this kind of a agreement which one individual is signing. Do you agree? I say, what is the agreement? Agreement is between two parties. There should be two equal party. If you go for a bank and you want to get a loan from a bank, वो जहां जहां साइन करने के लिए कहता है आप वहां साइन कर देते हो. Is it an agreement between two equal? Bank is too big at that moment, the point, and you are having financial need, so you are not equal to bank at that moment of the time. आप blindly sign कर देते हो, and sometimes those terms and conditions are not fair, and it is not right to really treat it as an agreement. And that's why there's a need of a regulatory authority to see that clauses are designed in such a way they should be equal on equal footing, and clients should not be put to the harm. So individual client cannot give the agreement or consent, because then he is depriving of the service. So government of India should negotiate those terms and conditions, not the individual person, not the individual user, because individual user is not in position to talk to this giant. Now it is a legal feasibility. How that legally it would be feasible? So our जो है intellectuals, rather than जो है ना how we should live with the things, they should come out with the solution. Okay, how we should have that legal feasibility, rather than saying नहीं ये तो हो नहीं सकता है, we have entered into this agreement, that agreement, that kind, then you are becoming the part of the problem. I really believe हमारी जो मुख्य प्रॉब्लम ही यही है कि majority of the time we are on the side of the problem. But I say we should not be on the side of the problem, we should be on the side of the solution. And problem should not be viewed as a problem. Problem should be viewed as an opportunity. Especially crime-free Bharat is working with this kind of it. Now with this elaboration, now I look for your response.
No, obviously, like what you have proposed, or in terms of location identity and changing the protocol in that manner, is welcome, I would say, if it happens, because it will lead to a lot of, I would say, assistance and help for the law enforcement, as well as furthering, I would say, crime identification or crime resolution. Because the biggest problem today is that on the internet, cybercrime attribution is very difficult. It is not really happening. One point which you mentioned was about carrying the protocol framework or the proposition internationally. I would really not, support it in a manner, because it's like you just said, you're not talking. They're not equals. You're not equal to anybody and talking as equals. You may be internet. You may be India.
I am talking of these giants with individual user.
I don't even consider the giants. See, I am India. I am Bharat. Okay, for me, Google and all, they are non-existent. For me, the primary entity for me is the nation, and my nation is my nation. So what I would do, I would first do in my own house and tell the other buggers to stand in line. That is how it should work. So I don't have to carry my banner, my flag to some other country and say मेरा झंडा लगाइए. ना, मेरा झंडा लगा हुआ है यहाँ पे, आपको काम करना, आप मेरा झंडा यूज करिए यहाँ पे. That's
very
it.
True. Now you are talking in my language.
That is the only way it will work.
Now you are talking in my language, basically. What you are saying exactly the same which I wanted to say. If you want to have the business with us, come on in terms whatever we are saying. Otherwise, you stay happy in USA. I am happy in
Exactly. See, the
India.
whole point.
But at the same time, our technocrats should come out with the equally powerful, rather better solution.
No, no, right. That is our biggest problem.
Because it should not be at the cost of the deprivation. It
No, no,
should be at the it should be enabling.
our biggest problem is ego. Our biggest problem is ignorance. And ego and ignorance, at the leadership level, it is a dangerous thing which we are living with, frankly speaking. And I'd say ego and ignorance, not just in the political leadership, is a law enforcement leadership also. I've seen it, and law enforcement लो, डिफेंस लो, कोई भी लो, यूनिफॉर्म कैडर ले लो आप किसी को भी, 99% बंदा तो ये सोचता है कि मैं तो भगवान हो गया हूँ, यूनिफॉर्म पहन ले, दो बिल्ले दे दो, बंदा जो है वो बन जाता है। फॉरगेट यूनिफॉर्म, आप प्राइवेट सेक्टर में घुस जाओ, बच्चा होता है, गधे का बच्चा होता है, जब बच्चा होता है थोड़ा बड़ा होता है, उसको दो बिल्ले लगा दो, मैनेजर की उसको कार्ड दे दो, तो जो बोलता है वो तो सोचता है मैंने तो जो पूरा, मतलब अब तो मेरे से बड़ा कोई है ही नहीं हिंदुस्तान में, सबसे बड़ा मैं ही हूँ। दैट इज आवर बिगेस्ट प्रॉब्लम, कि थोड़ी सी भी जो है, मतलब कहते हैं ना, वहां बोल दिया ना किसी को तो बंदा जो है वो तो इतना फूल जाता है कि समझो ही नहीं। दैट इज आवर प्रॉब्लम। आवर प्रॉब्लम इज दैट आवर ईगो बिकम्स मसाज सो फास्ट। एक तो वो, दूसरा जो हमारा मतलब वो कल्चरल क्या है, हम अभी तक गांव में रहते हैं, हम लोग गांव से बाहर निकले नहीं है सर। हमारी पूरी जनरेशन जो है ना, हमारा डीएनए जो है ना, वो गांव गांव खेत और गांव में, खेत में और बाहर, कहते हैं ना, जो लोटा लेके आप जाते हैं ना, हम उसी में हैं अभी तक। हमारी पूरी डीएनए उसी में ही है कि अगर जो मैंने आपको कहीं पे सिफारिश कर दी नौकरी के लिए, तो मतलब आप तो मेरे गुलाम बन गए जिंदगी भर, कि मैंने देखो नौकरी दिलाई। एंड इफ यू सी आवर सिटीज, मैं मुंबई रहता हूँ सर, इसमें मुंबई शहर में एक सड़क नहीं है जो अच्छी हो, एक सड़क नहीं है पूरा, ये और महानगरी कहते हैं। मैं पूछता हूँ कि जहाँ पे अगर जो 1 लाख 1 करोड़ जो इंजीनियर जो काम कर रहे हैं वो कहाँ गए सारे? Just because you're a chief engineer doesn't mean that you can shut your eyes and just sit out. No, you have to work. और एक भी सड़क जो दिखा दो मेरे को जहाँ पे छेद ना हो, एक भी आप मुझे फ्लाईओवर दिखा दीजिए जहाँ पे जो है वो कहते हैं ना, रैंप पे जो है इतना सारा खड्डा हो कि आपके जो है सर लग जाए ऊपर छत पे। नो, दैट इज आवर प्रॉब्लम। और किसी को आप बोलो ना, बोलो हमने बनाई तो है सड़क, और क्या चाहिए तुम्हारे?